Welcome to today's edition of Layoff and Employment News by Employment Boost. Today's date is Friday, April 14th, 2023. If you are an individual affected by a layoff, or if you are a company facing a reduction in force, click the link above now or in the description box below for information about our firm's outplacement support services. As the leading boutique provider of outplacement services in the United States, Employment Boost is uniquely positioned to help individuals land on their feet and find a new job quickly and effectively after a corporate layoff. Now on to today's headlines. Illinois-based Natural Fiber Welding, which is a material science company specializing in sustainable textiles, is laying off 10% of its staff and says that this is the first time in the company's history that a mass layoff like this has happened. They did not give a number as to exactly how many people this was going to be impacting, but it will be affecting every level of employment, and the action is being taken for economic efficiency, according to them. Also, retail furniture company RH, which was formerly known as Restoration Hardware, will be laying off about 440 workers from its California headquarters. According to their CEO, the entire industry is battling against lingering effects from the pandemic, including inflation, rising interest rates, a dip in home values, depressed stock market, and the banking crisis. Their net revenue last year was down significantly from the year prior. And finally, figures released yesterday by the Labor Department showed that jobless claims are rising more than expected. The number of Americans applying for unemployment benefits hit 239,000 last week, which is above pre-pandemic levels. Projections from the central bank's March meeting showed that they expect unemployment to rise to about 4.6 by the end of next year, which is a steep climb from the 3.5% rate that we are at currently. And if those projections hold true, we can expect about 1 million people to be laid off between now and the end of 2023.